Hello guys. So I'm gonna give beginner tips for new starters in DC motor. Okay. First, there are three types of motor. Okay. First is a normal motor. Everyone knows, like this type of. Okay. These switches are used for to give power to them. They have magnets inside and a copper wire and one switch so they can move. Second is and dual shaft motor. It has both sides, so you can put like tire and make car and all. Third is generator. Like you are wondering why is generator, because if you move it from down, it'll give electricity here, and by giving electricity here, you can light a bulb, a speaker if you move it very fast. Okay. For beginners, there is one thing that you can give. There are cells and all. This is used to give battery like a normal thing. Okay. There's also an open DC motor. This is how DC motor looks when it's open. See? So you basically, now I'll put a fan on it and show you guys like how it moves. So after you see these two yellow plates, these are used to give electricity. Okay. I put the two wires. Now if I put here, it moves. Okay. 9 voltage battery is enough, not more, or the motor will blast. Okay. Second is a speaker. This speaker. Okay. After I put the wires on its wires. Sorry. It will start making a sound. There isn't vacuum in it, so it can't make a sound right now. The vacuum might come later. Okay. And now I'll teach how to make a switch. This switch, like basically a fan. How, like, we on the switch and the fan on. How it works. First, I need a motor. Okay. Then I'll connect one of its wires onto one of its yellow plates. Okay. I'll wrap it on it, or you can use ironing. Okay. What I'm showing you can do it with speaker also. It's particularly same. For every motor it's same. This switch thing. Okay, I have put it. As you guys can probably see this. I have put it right. You guys see. Okay. Now next, a switch. I'll need a switch and one and
2,000 years later.
now guys, keep an eye. Rotating it. Okay. You can see there are many type of circuits. There are also many projects. You can like you can, if you have something like this eraser you have.